Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Super Tarts haul. I believe this was from her Fresh and Earthy. It was her ready to ship portion. I missed her pre-order part, so I've just been trying to catch in on the ready to ship part since I haven't had a chance to pre-order in a while. As you guys know, I wasn't buying wax for a little bit, and then that's kind of taken a turn, but I'm allowing myself Super Tarts, and with the rest of the orders that I'm placing, I'm trying to keep it to scents that I know or that I've had before. So I'm not so much into the like experimental. I think I already explained this in like my warm reviews, but I don't know which video is going up first. So let's get into this. It was wrapped up very nicely. She had this pretty pink tissue paper, and it was wrapped up and it said thank you, and then it had Brandy. It has her new logo sticker on there, which I thought was very nice. And then the sample I got, she's writing on them now, or putting the name Everlasting Gobstopper, which is blackberries, was it rock candy and vanilla bean ice cream. Sorry, I had looked it up and I was like, I had to think about it for a second. For some reason, rock candy, lollipops, and sweet lolly, or whatever that is, for some reason I don't like those scents. Even though they're more of like a blender scent, I just don't love them. This one's okay. I don't know that I would. No, in fact, I already know I wouldn't buy that one. I don't know why I'm trying to even like convince myself. Okay, so if you guys know me, a lot of you I think will be surprised by this order, because there's a lot of things in this order that I took chances on, which I said I normally wouldn't do. I know kind of the scents I like from Super Tarts, but I'm kind of allowing myself from certain vendors to explore a little bit, but I'm trying to stay to like tried and true. So this is her specialty blend that she's been doing, kind of like 2 specialty blends every pre-order. So this was one of them, I believe. I think it was Rain, which is rain, cucumber, sandalwood, ozone, sugar cubes. Now, cucumber and sandalwood are 2 things that I have not loved in the past. So this one has rain, cucumber, and sandalwood. So a rain I do like. Cucumber and sandalwood are kind of iffy for me, especially cucumber. I've never liked cucumber in wax before. This one doesn't offend me though. It's just cucumber smells very clean to me, and I don't know, I'm not hating it, which I was like, I'll take a chance on that one. Like, why not? And I don't hate it. I don't really know, like I'm definitely smelling the cucumber in there. I smell the rain and the cucumber, so that's like the main 2 things that I get out of that one. The next one is her second specialty blend. This one is No One and Rosemary Mint. This is patchouli, black pepper, vanilla bean, pink sugar, rosemary, and mint. So the patchouli, black pepper, vanilla bean is Lord of Misrule type from Lush. And No One is her other scent that she has that's Lord of Misrule mixed with pink sugar. So what she did is she took this and mixed it with rosemary mint. And I'm all about the rosemary mint, and I love Lord of Misrule. I don't normally love Lord of Misrule by itself, but in blends, I'm fine. This one smells very good. I like that rosemary mint mixed with the Lord of Misrule. In fact, that's what I mostly get is rosemary mint and Lord of Misrule. I don't get a lot of that pink sugar, which is fine by me because I don't love pink sugar. So I did grab 2 of those. We'll just stick the second one right on over there. The next one I grabbed is also new to me. This is 007. This is cologne, $100 bills, and golden amber. And everyone on the Facebook group seemed to say that this one was really good. So I listened. And I'm so glad I did. This smells exactly, I mean, like a sexy man. I feel like I know this cologne type. I feel like I've smelled it before, or maybe I had like a previous boyfriend that wore this. I know my husband doesn't wear this one, I don't think. Maybe it is. I don't know. That would be scary. $100 bills, like you can kind of smell, like if you were to take a brand new stack of like bills and smell it, you could kind of get that in here. But I mostly get like the cologne, so that one's really good. I like that. I was trying to find some more manly scents, and that for sure was it. I meant to look on the Facebook group to see if I could figure out what pheromones are, but this is solo. This is pheromones, tangerine, and sandalwood. Not sure what pheromones are. I know she talked about it at some point as to what it was. To me, this one is really light, so I'm having trouble kind of smelling this one, but I think I mostly get a soft tangerine, soft sandalwood. I really don't know what pheromones is, but it's coming off kind of sweet if that's what I'm smelling. Yeah, not sure. Like I said, that one's a little bit light, so I'll just warm that one and see. Next one I have is Punisher, and this one I just finished a warm review recently, and I said I'd definitely get this one again if it showed up. It's tobacco, red apple, vanilla bean, which is the Omen, and then Ocean Breezes, vanilla bean, red apple is Omen, and then the tobacco makes it the Punisher. Her tobacco is so sweet and just good. Like, you don't have to be scared of tobacco. It's just such a sweet scent, and it really makes the Omen scent really nice. We warmed this like for the last 2 weeks in the bedroom, and we were both just like really loving it. So Punisher's a great one. Next I have is Merlin, and this is silver birch, cashmere, and vetiver. This is one of my friend's favorites, and she is totally right about this one. This one smells really good. I haven't had this one in a while. I'm trying to figure out what I smell. It smells masculine. Not like a cologne. I'm pretty sure what I'm smelling. I'm not familiar with cashmere. I'm not that familiar with cashmere or silver birch. I know vetiver, but I feel like the cashmere and probably the silver birch are probably coming out the strongest. That one's really nice. This is what happens when you get someone who hasn't had Fresh and Earthy. I mostly do clean scents. So Lex is one that I took another chance on. Shaving cream, yuzu, and vanilla cream. I was hoping that the yuzu and vanilla cream were going to be like center stage, because I don't love shaving cream scents. In fact, I kind of hate them. I just don't like the smell of shaving cream. I think that's awful. This one, however, I mostly get the yuzu and vanilla, and I think the shaving cream is kind of hidden under that vanilla scent, because I feel like shaving cream can kind of be a soft, like if you think of the smell of shaving cream, it's not offensive, but I've never liked it in blends. But to me, this one mostly the vanilla milkshake and the yuzu take over for me. Now on warm, it could turn into shaving cream. Either that or she uses a really sweet shaving cream. So that's what I'm picking up. So I love yuzu scents too as well. So I felt like that one I could, maybe tolerate anyways, no matter what. The next one I have is Voldemort, and this is red apple, ocean breeze, vanilla bean, again with the Omen blend, and then cactus and sea salt makes it Voldemort. And I always have to get Voldemort, even just for the Harry Potter reference. I haven't had cactus and sea salt in a while, but I can really smell it in here. And the Omen, it's obviously an Omen blend, so you're going to get the Omen in there, but cactus and sea salt is one of those that I was starting to kind of have a love-hate with. Like, I just overdid it on cactus and sea salt. Every time I saw cactus and sea salt, I was like, let's get it. But yeah. Jaws is just an old standby classic. This is sea salt, ozones, seagrass, plum, and pear. So Jaws has a lot of different mixes with it, so I was like, you know what, let me grab just the original and I can mix it up with some things. I do have some of the blends from Wax Wednesday, but I also have a lot of potion packs and other things, and I thought, you know what, let me get some Jaws, just regular Jaws, and use it as like a mixer. Yeah, and this is just a really sweet ocean scent. The plum and the pear just really give it a nice addition to like a normal, what would be your standard like salty sea air type blend or ocean blend. This makes it really nice. I did grab 2 of those. The other one I picked up was One Tree Hill. So I have warmed this one before. This is Rain and Fresh Mint. Now on cold, I did not like One Tree Hill at all. But when you warm it, what did I... I was like gonna toss it. When you warm this one up, it changes and transforms into something completely different. It's just so good on warm. I was really, really enjoying it. On cold, it smells fine too, but I remember the first time I smelled it on cold, I was like, oh, I'm probably gonna de-stash this. But then I warmed it and just that mint comes out and the rain, and it's just good. If you like either one of those scents, I think you would like this one, even though on cold it smells a little bit strange. Warmed up, it's completely different. Okay, I have had Ruby before, but actually I never got to warming it because I was like, nope. This is Green Leaves, Lemon Zest, Peach, Apple, Pineapple, which I believe is Biolage, Blackberry, and Spun Sugar, which is it Cotton Candy? Yeah, Cotton Candy, Blackberry, and Biolage is what makes up Ruby. I never liked Biolage, but actually no, the scent I'm thinking of is Veda, whatever. So this one's gonna have to grow on me. I might mix this up with a little bit more cotton candy frosting just to make it a little bit more sweet, because the Biolage is very strong in here. I mean, I've had Biolage before. The blackberry's soft in here. I don't get a lot of blackberry. To me, it's mostly a Biolage scent, so that's Ruby. But it just sounded good, and I remember the first time I bought it, it sounded good as well. But I hear a lot of people talk about Ruby and like it, so I was like, screw it, let's just try it again. Okay, the next one I have is Groot, which I've looked at on the site before. I love driftwood scents, and I just thought, vanilla cream and sandalwood, let's just try it. So it's vanilla cream, sandalwood, driftwood. This one is heavy on the sandalwood. I can definitely smell the sandalwood, but it's softened with that vanilla cream. And I am getting just a hint of the driftwood, but my nose initially smelled the sandalwood. Yeah, I'm trying to see if that driftwood comes back. It's in there, but the sandalwood's kind of throwing me off. Sandalwood is a very distinct scent, I'm finding, but I'm not afraid of it anymore. Like, I'm gonna have to warm it and see. I mean, I might hate this one, but we'll try it and see how it goes. So yeah, that is my small, well, actually it's not really that small when you think about it. When you get down to it and you start warming stuff and you see how quickly or not quickly you go through things, you start realizing that like a 10 clamshell, 13 clamshell order is actually quite a bit. So anyways, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you picked anything up from her Fresh and Earthy, let me know what you got. She had a lot more, but these were the ones that like stood out to me as, hey, want to try this one. So anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.